Hit record. Oh, is it gone? Okay. Right. I figured out what I wanted my channel to be. Making fun of myself. That's it. Because that's the most fun. Mm-mm. Too serious out there. Okay, got some sleep. Mm-mm. Okay. And a little bit of candy. Okay. So anyway. hmm Well, sugar will help. Yep. The boredom is just getting good, better enough to be bored. Yeah, look at this. Well, we cut the hair. Well, my hubby did it. You do good, do good, did great. Any whooskies? Another day. Okay. Hang in there. Hang in there. Hang in there. Okay. We can do this. Do the hard stuff. Okay. Ciao. Bye bye. Ta ta.